Welcome again to Surveying Group News podcast. We are at DJI booth with Kresimir. Hello, Kresimir.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you. My name is Kresimir Dulic. I'm here for DJI doing the business development, responsible for the DACH region, and presenting today our drones, our solutions for the surveying market.
Okay. So let's dive on the topic.
Right.
My first question is how to choose a drone for surveying and photogrammetry works.
So the question is how to choose the right drone is based on your needs, what you exactly need. So in this case, I would say the most preferred drone right now is the Mavic 3 Enterprise Edition with an RTK solution. This is the most common lightweight drone, very efficient, and this is exactly what the customer is looking for today. A very portable and high efficient, fast to deploy, fast to generate data drone.
Can you give the checklist before the flight to collecting clear data?
Okay, what's important during a flight? So when you do a mission, the mission planning is the most important part. You need to do a checklist, work through. So for example, the license, look where you're flying, you have all your permits. When you have done the paperwork in the first, then you do the next steps, prepare your drones. You check the batteries, do you have enough SD cards, spare parts, for always checking on your computer the photos what you have gathered. So always be prepared for every occasion what can happen.
Thank you. And what about your side?
What we have today, or we're presenting it in the Geo here 2022, different drones. We have for the high-end customer who needs a really detailed picture, we have the M300 series with P1 and L1 on it. P1 is a high-resolution RGB camera. It's a full-frame sensor. On the other side, we have the Zenmuse L1, which is a camera for a LiDAR scanner in the end for live LiDAR imaging. Also, we have here presenting as just shown, the Mavic 3 Enterprise Edition with RTK on top of it. So this is a high-resolution camera with a 1/3 inch sensor with a very fast speed for gathering the image. We can shoot images like 0.07 seconds per image. So it's very, very fast, flying up to 15 seconds, 50 meters per second. And we have a flight time about 42 minutes. Our customers are really looking for a drone which is safe to use, fast to reply, and also the efficiency. The efficiency is the most important thing for the drone. So that's why we are developing, improving our drones. I would be happy to introduce you the drones here in a booth. So please feel free to come over, step by to a booth and take a look at the drones what we have. Also, please take a look at www.dji.com and take a look on the solutions what we offer there. Thank you very much. Take care.
Okay.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank
Take care. Bye.